Hi KVG, hi 3 to 6 Express. I am a lady aged 33 years old, married to my husband. We both have one child from our previous marriages. My husband's child is doing Form 2 at a boarding school. Someone who recently got married. I would notice that every time I visited my husband's house during the school holidays, mwana aripo, I would lose either money or jewelry. I remember holiday last year, tisatitaro rana. I went to my husband's house to clean and do laundry. Ndapedza, I decided to shower, then start cooking. I had these beautiful earrings, mustards, that my mom gifted me for my birthday. Ndakamashaya in the house. I even asked Akati, handina kumbopinda bathroom. KVG, I was so convinced kuti mwana was stealing from me. So wikravhurwa zvikoro, my husband was called in kuchikoro kwemwana, and we went together. She was being accused of stealing taki yevamwe and uniforms. Hanzi aitobvisa my tags or burn my markings ne iron, making it difficult to prove kunivabiro. We were invited into the principal's office and was very disappointed to see my husband's daughter crying, achiramba kuti haana kuba. To make matters worse, my husband shouted at the principal, saying, "You want to label mwana wangu mbava, pano, but you don't have evidence." They had a back and forth kusvika principal vatozopa apology. My curiosity haina kunditendera kungoenda ndisina kuita my own investigation. Ndakaenda kuhostel naye to help her pack a few things we had brought for her. Mutrunk, I saw 6 shirts, isu takamutengera 3 shirts, and 2 dresses. I also picked that the other 3 shirts were different brand labels. When I asked her, she said, "You're not my mother. Leave me alone." This was the first time confronting her, and the response confirmed to me kutarkuba. My question was, why? Inongodze kuacha here or what? Driving back, I told my husband everything that happened, and again, he refused to accept that something is wrong nemwana, and has picked a terrible habit yekuba. My husband was not happy, KVG. Takatochinjana mashoka akanditi, "I don't interfere nemwana wako wani." But my son is well behaved. My only problem is anoirirana ne stepsister yake, and I fear she'll be a bad influence. Ndodi nai, my mind is telling me to talk to the mother. I don't know how my husband will take it. Either the ex-wife is married and stays in South Africa. I feel she deserves to know, because I don't see how I can endure this marriage, allowing our daughters to build a relationship ipapo ndaramba as long as she doesn't change. What are your thoughts? Please help. You're a hot topic here.
All right. Thank you so much, Manwe, for our hot topic.
Yeah, boy.
The final one this week. Yeah. Just be patient with us. Tinozvita carry on Monday. Ngatimbo this one tinzwo kuti zvinofambiswa sei 0772162651 rigativhure nhare. Maswera sei?
Hai KVG.
Maswera sei babangu?
Taswera bo.
Aiwa, taswera zvakanaka. Endererai mberi. Munomubatsira sei mudzimai?
Aiwa, mwana anorayirwa kana Bhaibheri inoti kana mwana achadza ngaarove. Dai ngaatongorowe bhozi mwana wake chose. Hazvina zvoda kuudza kuti
asi atomboudzwa here kunzini I don't interfere nemwana wako, anozorova pakadaro?
Ngaarove kana asingadi yanza kuya sanza kuya nemarararo.
Yay. Thank you.
Kuti mwana wako adaro ngaasiyane naye mukadzi wake.
Yeah, panenge pakaoma. Handizivi kuti sedare tingatenderana here kuti arove mwana hwana hasi wake.